Hello friends, how are you doing? I am Raghu. Today I'll show you how to build a low cost 200 rupees tank overflow indicator. On an average, we waste 250 to 300 liters of water per month due to tank overflow while filling it. This adds an extra money to our monthly electricity bill. Overall, there is wastage of water and energy. How to prevent this? I have a solution. Let's get started. First step is to check the resistivity of tank water because our setup needs a conducting medium. I have taken some water in a glass and going to measure its resistivity using digital multimeter. When I measure, it shows around 60 to 70 kilo ohms. This gives me around 1 milliampere current when I connect a 9-volt battery. This is sufficient to turn on the buzzer and LED. The components we need are 10 to 15 meters of 2-wire cable, a bulb holder which has 2 electrodes. This is used in a overhead tank, 9-volt buzzer, 9-volt transistor battery, on-off button switch, and insulation tape. This is the wiring diagram I am going to use. The LEDs and the buzzer are used as indicator. The setup when connected looks like this. I have put all the components in a box so that I can fix it on the wall near to the motor control box. The green LED indicates system on. The red LED indicates when the tank water is full. When I open up the box, you can see the battery and the buzzer. This is connected as per the wiring diagram shown before. Now drill a small hole in overhead tank to put the cable. Connect the holder as shown. The two terminals on the holder are used as electrode. Make sure the holder in the tank is below the level of overflow pipe in the tank because the buzzer and the indicator needs to turn on before the tank overflows. Run the cable from the tank to the control box. The principle of operation is when the tank gets full, the holder terminals get short and buzzer and LED are turned on, thereby indicating tank is full to the user. How to use it? When I turn on the motor, I need to also switch on the system and it looks like this. The green LED indicates that the system is on. You can see that the tank is getting filled. When the tank gets full, the buzzer and LED are turned on, therefore indicating the user to turn off the motor. You should also take care that you need to turn off also the system so that you need to save the battery of the system. You may ask question about the battery life. I have been using the battery since last 6 months. It's still running. I hope it will still run. Overall setup costs 200 rupees and this saves you your money in the monthly electricity bill. Also there is no wastage of water due to overflow. If you like this video, please like and share. You can also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.